name is Anshika, and in this video I'm going to do makeup on my face, and I know that I look cute like this also, but nonetheless I love makeup, and this is the first time that I'll be putting this video on YouTube, any makeup video on YouTube. So let's get started. First thing which we do in our makeup regime is to prime the face, and today I'm going to use this oil primer by PAC. I'm going to just apply a little drops, 2-3 drops on my face, overall face, because my face is already in a combination skin, and it doesn't require like a lot of oil primer. So I'm just going to blend that in. Make sure you prime your eyelids as well if you have dry skin and dry eyelids, and if you have something like this, pimple or anything, so make sure you moisturize it very well, because pimples, they tend to crease within 2 or 3 hours of putting anything. So if you have moisturized it well, it won't crease at least for 5 to 6 hours. Next thing that I'm going to do is put this foundation on my face, and this is the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm in the shade Golden Beige 3D, 3W, something like that, and I'm going to put this on my face using this Stripling flat top brush. So I'm not a person who loves to put foundation directly on the face because of, I also don't know why, but that's all, and I'll be just tapping it, stippling it on my face like this in small motions, and I won't be doing like this because that's going to make linings or flakiness on your skin. So, and that reminds me that I haven't moisturized my lips, so I'll do that after I finish this step. So now that my base is done, I'm going to use this Biotique lip balm on my lips, and I am just loving it. This is my second bottle that I am using, and I have posted a review about this on my IGTV, on my Instagram feed itself, and I have posted that around in the month of February, I think so. So make sure you follow me over there also, because I post mini reviews about product over there. So what I love to do, since I am having big nails, so I just push the product out like this. So it comes on the nails and not inside the nails, and then I just put the product on my lips and then apply it. The next thing that I'll do is to conceal my eyelids, and for that I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20, and this is the one that I'll be using on my eyelids. And on my pimple I'll be using one shade darker, which is the shade 25, and because I don't want to highlight that part, so I'll be using one shade darker, and also I'll be using that same concealer over here. I know I'm doing like same. It happens guys. Slightly over here also. So I won't be dragging that concealer like this. Instead of that, I'll tap over the places so that it gets high coverage as much as it can. Already this concealer is in medium coverage, but it's buildable if you do it in a correct manner. Make sure you don't drag over the part where you have pimples, even a little bit. Just pat that in like this. Small, comfortable, sweet motions, like treat this as your very little cute child. So now that our base of concealer and foundation is done, we will be powdering it in so that जो भी oiliness है वो चली जाए, and keeping the fact in mind that my eyes are already drier than my face, I'll be patting a little bit of the product, just a little bit. I'm using the same concealer brush as I did to blend my concealer. I'm getting a little nervous while I'm talking, but that's okay because I'm trying it. Sometimes you have to pat your own back, and that's the truth. Now on the rest of my face, I'll be using this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. So the one that I used earlier was one shade lighter than what I am currently using, because that was to make your under eyes even pop more. Now I'm using the same Wet n Wild contour palette, and I don't know which brush this is. It's the Real Technique, and I just don't know what number or anything it is. So I'll be just patting in the product and doing like this. I'll be taking a little more because I want my cheeks to be chiseled. Make sure you blend that completely in your hairline. I love doing this. And now I'm finished contouring my face, so I'll be using this very flat and small brush to contour my nose. I'm trying my best to look in the camera, but my mirror is over there, so that's going to happen. I'm not a pro in like filming and all, but yeah, I'm trying. Next thing which I'll be doing is to put blush on my face, and this is the Maybelline Color Show blush, जिसकी मैंने यूज़ करके धज्जियाँ उड़ा दी हैं, एंड नॉट यूज़ करके ये एक बार निकल गया था, एंड देन तब से ये पैन में हिट कर चुका है, एंड मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करा है, सो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल लिया. नाउ लेट मी पुट माई ब्लश. And this is the Wet n Wild blush brush. This is the same one that I was talking in my story कि मैंने ऐसे कैमरे पे put कर दिया था. So I am like, you did something with me. I had to re-record. Okay, so this is the thing that I did not talk about while I was contouring. So please, if you have pimple over here or here, try avoiding to put blush or contour on that part. So if my pimple is like this, I'll avoid this part and put my blush over here. I don't want my pimple to pop out. I'm going to put whatever is left on my brush on the nose. And then a little bit on the chin. It's really hard for me to remember the parts of the face. I don't know. For XYZ reason, I don't know. Either I forget while I'm filming because I'm nervous, or I don't know. Now that we are done with the face base and the contour, the blush and everything, we will do the final and one last thing, that is to highlight the face, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio highlighter. I don't know if a shade comes in this or not. I think a single shade or two shades are coming in this. So I'm having the lighter one. I'll mention everything in the description box below. So I'll be using this highlighter on my cheeks, nose and chin, upper lips, everywhere. Whoa, it's giving a nice highlight. Little bit on this part as well, so that it shines whenever I'm doing like this or this. Okay, so I have come a little closer to you on the camera, and first I'll be doing my, what it is called, eyeshadow, and then I'll be going and doing my eyebrows. This is the way I like to do. Currently I'm like doing this. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette, and today I'll be doing Blue Eyes. Hypnotize karti teri, something like that. I really did not like that song. That was like so cheesy. So cheesy. So nonetheless, I'll be using this shade on my crease. So I'll just blend that in, although this shade is not at all visible on my eyes. So what we'll do, we'll take this shade right here and then we'll blend that in, and this shade is showing on my eyelids. So I'm just blending that shade in. I'll be taking more of that same color. The next shade that I'll be taking is this blue one itself, and I'll be just patting it on my eyelids. I'll just roughly mark my crease and try to put that color, that blue shade, and I won't be going till here. I'll be just putting on my half of the eyelids, more than a half, and then I will blend everything in. Now I haven't taken anything on this brush, and I'm just with whatever is there on the brush, I'm blending the blue and the violet, sort of a violet color that I took, both together. I don't know if I want more of the shade, more of the blue shade on my eyelids. I'm not sure. I finally decided I'm taking more of the blue color on my eyelids till here. And now I'll be taking more of the shade and blending everything in. Now you can see that my shade is blended very well. So I'll do my next of the eyelid and then I'll be back. Okay, so now my both eyelids are done, and now I'll be going on the lower lash line to complete the eye look. I'll again be taking the same blue shade and smudging it in my lower lash line. I'll be keeping my lower lash line more intense towards the end, towards this part, and lighter on the inner side. Now with another brush, I'll be taking this violet shade which I had applied on my crease as well. So I'll be taking that shade and blending that towards the inner corner because it's lighter. So now that my both the eyes are done, I know this part of the eye is looking lighter than this because of the lighting effects that is there in this room. So both are like looking great in real, but it's just the lighting that is showing this part as darker and this part as lighter, so please avoid that. And now for my eyebrows, I'll be using this Etude House drawing eyebrow pencil. It's like difficult for me to name that also. Now that I'll be needing a more close mirror, I want to just go and quickly do my eyebrows and come back. And now that I'm back with my eyebrows done, the next thing that I'll do is to highlight my brows, and for that I'm using this Shame shade which was there in this palette, and it's kind of little powdery, but we'll manage that. So I'm just putting the shade over here at my arch portion where the arch of the eyebrows are there, so that it gives the look of more uplifted eyes. So we are almost done with our eye part. The only thing that is left is the mascara and eyelashes, and quickly I'm going to do that and be right back. So I'm back with my eyelashes on, as you can see, and one thing that I forgot to put on my eyes on my waterline is this is the pack of Kohl in the shade Skin, and I love putting this on my waterline so that my eyes looks even more brighter and pop out. So now we are even done with the eye part of the face, and now the only thing that is left is the lips. So today I am going to use this Nykaa Matte Delicious Lip Crayon in the shade Lacy Luck, and this is also included in my Nykaa sale haul, so if you want you can watch that. And now I'm going to put that on my lips. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you like this video, if you like this look that I have created, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. It will mean the word to me. Surely it will mean the word to me. And till the next video, take care. Bye. Love you all.